Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a delicious homemade pesto sauce. Begin by peeling some garlic cloves. My garlic was a bit old, so I had to remove the green sprout in the center. Then grind the garlic, pine nuts and salt together until they form a fine paste. This step helps release the flavors and create a smooth texture. Now let's add fresh basil leaves and continue grinding. Once the garlic, pine nuts and basil are ground, it's time to incorporate cheese and olive oil. As for the cheese, I recommend using a blend of grated pecorino and parmesan. Mix until they are completely combined and the pesto reaches your desired consistency. If you're not using the pesto immediately, cover the pesto with a thin layer of extra olive oil. This will help maintain its vibrant green color. Now your homemade pesto is ready to be enjoyed. It's perfect for pasta, sandwiches, or as a flavorful dip. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this recipe. Also let me know which other recipes you'd like to see, and thanks for watching.